Have you been listening to the news about our national debt? It's huge. I just looked on U.S. government debt, and it says that at the end of 2015, it's estimated that we will owe $18 trillion. How much is $18 trillion anyhow, if we were to write it out in digits? So if this were the trillions place, the next set would be the billions place, right? The next set would be the millions place, the thousands places, and then hundreds, tens, and ones. So $18 trillion, that's a lot of money. So let's take a look at the place value. Here you already know ones, tens, hundreds. This is the thousands group right here. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. This is the millions group. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. This is the billions group. Billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. And then the trillions. I'm glad we don't owe in the 100 trillions and don't owe $418 trillion. I hope we never get there. This shows us place value. Place value is that each digit has a value based on its position. For example, the 8 in this number has a value of 8 trillion. Now, if the 8 were over here, it would have a value of 800,000. Place value means that something has a value based on its position or place. So today's lesson, Saxon 8-7, lesson 5, is about place value through 100 trillions and reading and writing whole numbers. There's different kinds of notations that numbers can be written in. There's standard notation, which looks like this. And then there's expanded notation. Expanded notation takes into account place value in a different way. So we look at the first digit. Digits are any of the symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We look at the first digit, 1, and we write out a 1 times the place value that it's in the hundreds place, plus, go to the next digit, 2 times the place it's in, the tens place, plus, in this case, 3. All right, there's one more way to show our numbers, and that's in written form. So this would be written 120 hyphen 3. Notice there's no word and in there. In math, the word and means put a decimal there, and you can see there is no decimal in this number. So we're not going to have the word and in our written number. Also, notice the hyphen. A hyphen is used to connect the parts of a compound word, in this case 23. The numbers that you need to hyphenate are the numbers 21 through 99. Those numbers get hyphenated. All right, go ahead and do the practice for lesson 5.